is your First Alert 5 weather with Sam Schreier.
Good morning, everyone. In our severe outlook, hail size today could be up to 1 to 2 inches, and our wind speeds could be 60 to 70 miles per hour. Flooding is also another big concern I'm worried about, especially if you live in the yellow highlighted areas, but even more specifically, if you live just outside of the mountains, which is a lot of our bigger towns. So we'll dive into that through the course of the morning, and I hope you're waking up. This doesn't mean we're guaranteed severe weather, and I do not want it. I want the heavy rain, we want the rain, but I don't want hail and I don't want damaging winds. So I'm on your side here, but I have to warn you, everybody, where I think the best threats are. It's warm this morning. If you're in the 60s, it tells me there's some cloud cover, but also a lot of humidity. We're drier and we're cooler Walsenburg, Trinidad. So to get some bigger storms, Walsenburg, Trinidad, we're going to have to get more humid, which we should be able to do a bit better through the end of the day. So I'm giving Colorado Springs a 4 on the impact scale. Now my hope is that the storms, kind of like yesterday, east, southeast El Paso County had a severe storm. We just had big storms in the city. I hope it's a duplicate today. But that being said, we have the ingredients for large hail, we have the ingredients for flooding, and we have the ingredients for damaging winds out of cells, especially on the east half of the city. Powers, Mark Scheffel, but also Black Forest Falcon. I want everybody to be on alert today, and for those of you around Fountain, we need to be a little extra careful. Big storms the next 2 days, but severe weather not likely, and drier, more isolated storms over the weekend. It's also very hot Friday into Saturday. We see that in Pueblo. I have the weekend dry, but before we get there, today, easy day for large hail, 1 to 2 inches, strong winds, isolated flooding through town. We're going to see hotter, drier conditions over the weekend. More storms next week. Canyon City. So big storms, severe weather potential today, but not as likely as some of the other cities around east of Canyon City. Drier over the weekend, and the same with Woodland Park. We are going to see some bigger storms on Wednesday, but then as we go through the weekend, we'll dry out. So it is what it is, everybody. We're here for you.